Hello everyone, today we have with us the brand new Ferrari Roma, which is a 2+2 GT car. Now this car sets the future trend for all Ferraris. Let us start with the looks of the car. Now if you look at this car, it looks completely different from the current crop of Ferraris. The current crop of Ferraris are very pointy and aggressive. However, this is almost as if it's been designed by smooth and flowing water. If you look at the shape, it's very flowing, very sculpted, but at the same time it's muscular and taut as well. What you will notice over here is the new grille inspired by the 250 GT Lusso. The headlights remind me of the Ferrari SP1 and SP2. And another cool thing that you need to see with this car is the beautiful key. It's got a nice enamel coating on top with a leather back. Very classy, very elegant. But what you need to see is how the door handles open. Your hands inside here and it pulls out. The rear has been completely redesigned as well. The tail lights look as if they've been set as gemstones into the back of the car. The tailpipes look lovely. This car even has a functional boot enough for a couple of carry-over bags. No wonder the Ferrari Roma won the Car Design Award for 2020. It is a beautiful car to look at. The Roma comes with Ferrari's signature V8, a twin turbo producing 610 horsepower with an 8-speed dual clutch transmission. The Roma does 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds, and the hero of this particular story is the gearbox. The new 8-speed gearbox from Ferrari is lighter than the previous one, providing an engaging driving experience with the right gear for any sort of driving, whether it's a highway cruise, spirited driving through mountain roads, or just city driving. The steering on the Roma is quintessentially Ferrari. Light, accurate and precise. It gives you enough feedback to let you know what you're doing in any kind of driving situation. It gives you a lot of confidence of handling fast corners and taking on any sort of driving road. The handling on the Roma is extremely sublime. The weight moves around perfectly, letting you judge how well the car is doing in a driving situation. But what the Roma truly loves is winding roads where you can engage in the true GT driving experience with fast throttle responses and an engaging gearbox. The car comes alive in your hands. This car is designed to take on the winding roads of the Alps. The other big change Ferrari has made is in the interiors and the styling of the cockpit. It comes with two individual passenger cells, making it almost like a speedboat styling. The other thing Ferrari has done has put this 8.4-inch touchscreen which controls all the features of the car, including navigation, music, Bluetooth and climate control. The passengers get their own small display over here. However, it's the drivers who get the 16-inch digital display. The digital dashboard on the Ferrari Roma is controlled by a touchpad over here. Now this touchpad gives you access to all the features of the car. Everything on this steering wheel is brand new and it's all touch sensitive. Even the engine start-stop is now a digital button. I miss the big old red button. The one thing that Ferrari has retained is the Manettino. With comfort, sport, race and wet mode, this is what can change the complete driving dynamics of the car. Ferrari says majority of the customers buying the Roma will be first-time Ferrari customers, and I truly see the appeal in buying a Ferrari Roma. It's beautiful, it's fast and it handles extremely well. Priced at around $230,000 or 850,000 dirhams or 3 crore Indian rupees, this is the cheapest way to enter into the rarefied world of Ferrari.